Alright YouTube, just a bit of a van update video for you. Not much coming out video wise at the minute. Firstly, 100 subscribers on channel, unbelievable. I never thought anybody would watch any of this, which started off as me just doing something during lockdown when I was a bit bored. So yeah, people have been interested and that's been mint. Been told I've got a couple of super fans, Woody, Johnny. Thanks for your support. It's been mint. Lots of encouragement. Non-van people, but really encouraged me on the YouTube side, which has been really appreciated. Yeah, and just thanks everybody for tuning in. With that in mind, I've sort of started to take it a little bit more seriously now. I've bought myself a little microphone, so you should be hearing me better today. And all traffic noise outside my house, brilliant, but I can't do much about that. And I've got a little camera light coming as well, so I should be able to improve my lighting. So hopefully my videos will improve from like now on. Now, people are interested, so I thought, better take it a little bit more seriously. Yeah, with the van, completed my electrical upgrade, so I can now run more powerful stuff off my 12-volt socket. So I'm going to get a little 500 watt heater because I've got an inverter. I'm going to do a little video on that, just around. I'm going to test out sort of budget heating solutions. I can't afford a diesel heater, long and short of it. So I'm going to explore what I can do with sort of electrical heaters, things like that. Got me bulkhead curtain up. Still a little bit of work to do on that because it still needs shortening. But basically I can't go to my grandma's at the minute because we're in lockdown and I need to shorten it for me because I can't do it. You might be seeing my grandma on channel, which will be hilarious. So definitely stay tuned for that. And then once weather picks up, I'm going to do a bit more stuff on the outside of my van. So I'll clean it, all my exterior modifications I've made. I'd like to go a bit, tell you in depth about what's happening with that. But realistically, it's probably going to be springtime now. Because I can't go anywhere to film, because if I film in my drive, I've just got massive traffic noise. And I'd like to do wash it and have it looking nice. So probably March time, middle of March, end of March, I'll be able to get out and do that. And I've got quite a lot of mates that own vans as well, that use them for lifestyle vans. So I want to ask them if we can do a bit of filming on their vans and tell us about what they do with their vans as well. So our Craig will be getting a ring. So if you're watching, Craig, I'm going to ring you and ask, see if we can do something about your fishing van and things like that. So, and then springtime, hopefully we'll actually get out and about and with dog and actually film some interesting stuff as well. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. As I've just said, lots more to come. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks a lot.